What's the meaning of awaken? Awaken. Awaken.
Awaken. Awaken. Awaken means to rouse from sleep or to become aware of something. When someone awakens, they become conscious and alert to what is happening around them. This can also refer to a spiritual or emotional awakening, where someone becomes aware of their true self and purpose in life. The result of an awakening can be profound and life-changing, as it often leads to a shift in perspective and a greater understanding of oneself and the world around them. It can bring about a sense of clarity, purpose, and renewed energy for life.